Gusto mo bang umasenso pero hindi mo alam kung saan magsisimula? Baka kasi umaakyat ka sa pyramid na kulang ang foundation. Maraming nauunang mag-invest agad, pero pag nagkasakit o nagka-emergency, ayun, naubos lahat ng savings. Bakit? Kasi walang protection. Puro ipon nga, pero walang tubo. May investments nga, pero walang emergency fund. Walang plano, paikot-ikot lang. Nakaka-frustrate, di ba? Kung gusto mo ng tamang direction, ito ang tamang akyat sa wealth creation pyramid. Step 1, protection. Insurance muna para secured ka. Step 2, savings, build your emergency fund. Step 3, investments, grow your money with tools like mutual funds, stocks, or business. And step 4, legacy. Planuhin ang future ng pamilya mo through estate planning. Isa-isahin mo lang. Don't skip steps. It's not about speed. It's about direction. Parang pag-akyat ng bundok. Hindi pwedeng diretso agad sa tuktok. Kailangan ng base camp, gear, training, at guide. Ganon din sa pera. Kailangan ng tamang hakbang para makarating. Anong level ka na sa wealth pyramid? I-comment mo sa baba either protection, savings, investments, or legacy. Follow for more financial tips. Share this with someone na gusto mong makaakyat din, or DM me if you want help climbing your own wealth pyramid. At tandaan, yaman is a journey. I'll help you take the next step. And that concludes our real video series for building wealth. Maraming salamat sa panunood hanggang sa susunod na mga real series natin.